Hi, my name is Lyndsey and I work for Solar Plants. Solar Plants is the leading domestic installer of solar PV and storage technology. Okay, at the May show, there'll be a number of our experts on hand. They're here to talk to you about solar PV and storage technology. On our stand we've got all of the technology, including solar panels, solar tiles, solar slates. We also have storage technology, EV chargers. So come along, bring your plans and chat to one of our experts on our stand. Okay, people should come to the show because it's the authority for everything self-build and renovation. You've got experts on hand, loads of seminars, lots of toolbox talks. Come along, give it a go if you're interested in a self-build or renovation project.